Hello, I'm going to make a quick introduction video on what you're going to be doing in lab this week. You're going to be taking lab exam number 2. So you have your second educational opportunity in lab. So I'm going to go down here. Now, if you're watching this video, it'll be right below this little heading. So you do have a practice quiz. You can do this as many times as you want. It's an exam type format. And I'll make sure, yeah, it says right here, you can do this an unlimited amount of times. I'll make sure I check on that. You can click on this link. The main reason that I'm doing this is so you can get used to having to type the names in, get used to the exam format, that kind of thing. Like for instance, I'm going to hit continue. Here's our first candidate or contestant in our practice quiz. So that's that suture. Now make sure you always read the question. On the real exam, you're going to have 60 minutes. It's 50 questions, but you do have plenty of time. So just read the title, name the suture, make your answers. Make your answers. I'm sure it's supposed to say make sure your answers are lowercase. Anyway, you're going to type in your. This is the lambdoidal suture here, so you type your answer in that blank. Okay, and you can do that as many times as you want. It's just really meant to give you practice, even though that sentence didn't make any sense. Here's the actual exam itself. So lab exam number 2. Now, once you start this exam, you have to finish it at that time. These courses are competitive. They are for allied health, and they come with some strict rules. So part of the reason that you can't start these and come back later and everything is this has to be a pretty structured setting. All right, read each question carefully. They're fill in the blank, all answers lowercase, and try to. And each question will have a title. Make sure you read the questions completely, and type your answers in the blank. Now, I wanted to give you a hint, so I'm going to go back. I believe this is week 7, and it's still open. It says the axial skeleton. There was a video. Here's the surface markings, the study outlines. Now, your terms on your exam come from this list right here, and I made videos using this particular list. Gotta love it when big pregnant pause while you're opening a Word document. See, knucklehead should have had this open already. But see these terms? You're going to have to know those particular terms. That's what you're going to be tested on. And let me go back. Yeah, there's a PowerPoint. Here are some diagrams if you want to practice. But let me go backwards if it'll let me. Yes. These study videos. Now, it says pictures for video. I probably could have named that something better. It's a whole document, but this is just the skull bones. And I had mentioned this in the introductory video for this whole section, but yeah, these pictures are going to be the ones that are on the exam. And I made a video going through each part of this, what each thing is, the names for them. This happens to be just a drawing of one because it shows up better than the actual picture. And so watch the videos, go through, and you have time to practice still. I'm going to go back here to, let me minimize this. So that was one over the skull. Here's one over the vertebrae. And the pictures on these Word docs are the ones that are going to be the ones used for the exam, for the bones. Thoracic, and then I'm going to go back. That was week 7, and then over here under week 8 was the appendicular in lab. So there's video, there's the outline, which is the exact same, but then here are the study videos. Upper appendicular, that's the arms, shoulder girdle, and this is the lower legs, os coxa, femur, tibia, radius, holy cow. Os coxa, femur, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges. Anyway, just so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, and you still have the whole week, But this exam is due by this Sunday at midnight of this particular week. So always check the My Grades tab for the due date. And like I said, when you get ready, here, well, there's your practice one, but when you get ready, click on this, and then once you start this, it's going to give you the option here. Once you start that, you got to finish it. Okay, so good luck, and you still have a whole week to review, so take advantage of it.